So this is my 2003 Apple iMac. It's got a PowerPC G4, 1 GHz, a 40 GB hard drive, and 384 megabytes of RAM, along with the 17-inch CRT and DVD-ROM drive. And today we're going to be installing macOS 10 on it. So I've checked, and it looks like this is probably Panther, maybe possibly Tiger, but most likely Panther. So let's turn this thing on and go into the boot menu. I just tried installing Linux on it and that didn't work. So it'll be a Patreon exclusive, I guess. Now we're just going to wait for it to load. Alright, and goes the DVD. Waiting. Now let's boot into the eMac Restore DVD. Oh, it's going to do an intro video. I haven't seen one of them before, so preparing installation. Alright, I've clicked continue, so now it's just loading things. Oh, we do have all that. It's not seeing the destination volume. Let's go into disk utility here. And just reformat the disk from Linux. Now it is erasing. Right, now let's quit disk utility and select our destination volume. Alright. Let's just see what other things can be installed. It's 11. Well, let's just add it, see what it is. Right, install. Right, once that's installed, I'll be back. So it's now installed, so let's set it up. So let's select New Zealand. There we go. Continue. No, I don't want to transfer information. Personalize your settings. Don't create an Apple ID for me. Right, a few more questions. Where will you primarily use this computer? Home. What describes what you do? Well, I guess video/film. Okay, so it's just creating my account. There we go. Okay, I can connect to the internet. I will use my existing internet service. Local network Ethernet. So we'll use the configuration supplied by the server. .Mac doesn't even exist anymore. Right, it's connecting to the internet. Okay, register later. Okay, I don't need to set up mail. Let's go Wellington, New Zealand. Yeah, synced to the time. Right, there we go. You're in. And we can eject this DVD. But there is another DVD, which is just two of two. I want to see what's on it. Okay, it looks like it's just a bunch of manuals, so we can get rid of that. Let's just see what version this is running. Okay, it's 10.3.5, so I think that's Panther. Right. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment, and subscribe. Also check out our Patreon. We're going to have a failed Linux install up there. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.